everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my cloth diapering tips and recommendations. Really, I just want to share with you what we have learned and what can hopefully make your cloth diapering experience go a little bit smoother. My first recommendation is to do your research. Initially, when I was considering cloth diapering, I did a ton of research, read a lot of different blogs, watched a lot of YouTube videos, and what I found I really wanted was a diaper that would grow with our baby. My recommendation and what I have gone with is the Soft Bums brand. So you can use the Soft Bums diapers from the newborn stage all the way up until they're a toddler. The great thing about Soft Bums is they actually have these elastic bands that you can adjust to fit your baby's thigh size. So basically there's a little toggle inside the diaper that you just continue to adjust that toggle as they get larger and bigger, and the diaper basically expands and grows with them. Do your research, find what fits best for you, and if you happen to decide to go with Soft Bums, by all means let me know. Ask me any questions in the comments that you might have about them. My second recommendation is actually to buy new cloth diapers. I know a lot of zero wasters that are watching this, probably would think buying cloth diapers secondhand would be a more sustainable choice. However, I've had an unfortunate experience with using secondhand diapers. My experience has been that they are not as absorbent, they're not as reliable of diapers, they leak a lot, they're just like bad diapers altogether. If you perhaps have had different experience and have had great use out of secondhand diapers, please let me know in the comments. Like, I can definitely stand corrected. But from my experience, I just found that the secondhand diapers I purchased did not compare to the new diapers that I purchased. My thought also with purchasing new diapers is that our intention with our family is not to use cloth diapers on just one child, but to use the same cloth diapers on multiple children. So I want to make sure that the diapers that I'm investing in really have that longevity and will last through multiple children. My next recommendation is to purchase diapers that are made, or at least the insert, basically the insert, you can also call it like the pad or the liner. Those particular parts of the cloth diaper, I believe, should definitely be a natural material. A natural material could be something like organic cotton or just regular cotton, hemp, and even bamboo. In the beginning, when we were registering for our cloth diapers on our baby registry, I asked for microfiber inserts because they were less expensive and I figured they would do the job just the same. However, that has not been true. I have found that natural fiber diapers are far superior to microfiber diapers. The natural fiber diapers are extremely absorbent, like way more absorbent than microfibers, and they also clean a lot easier. On top of all that, natural fiber diapers or natural material diapers are just better for the environment. So if I could go back in time and tell myself to redo our baby registry, I would 100% go back and switch over all of our microfiber inserts to natural fiber inserts. The other thing I would recommend is purchasing snaps instead of Velcro attachments. Initially I wanted Velcro attachments because I kind of felt like it gave the sensation of a conventional disposable diaper. It's very easy to just put the Velcro on and secure the diaper on the baby and remove it as well. I have found over consistent laundering and just use that the Velcro doesn't really last quite as long. I would definitely suggest purchasing diapers that have snaps in them. It's just much better. I think it'll last a lot longer. In the long run, it will just be the better option. My next tip for you is to ease into cloth diapering. I remember when I was pregnant, I had every intention of cloth diapering from the get-go, but after having my daughter, there were just so many variables that were extremely overwhelming. My daughter was extremely colic and had reflux issues. We were having problems with nursing and latching. I had a C-section, and so the recovery time is a lot, I think, just different and longer. And I'm a first-time mom, so just the adjustment of having a human life that you're caring for and, getting used to their sleep schedule every 3 hours, it was just like, I can't even think about cloth diapering. And it wasn't until about 3 months that I really wanted to kind of start to transition to using cloth diapers. In the beginning, we did cloth diapering kind of throughout the day, and at night we would always use disposable. And eventually, as I began to even explore my zero waste lifestyle, I decided that I just completely wanted to get rid of disposable diapers altogether. Just ease into it as much as you can and don't stress out if you're not cloth diapering like immediately. And finally, find a cloth diapering routine that works for you. This kind of feeds into easing into cloth diapering. You really just kind of want to make cloth diapering kind of part of your lifestyle. And really every baby's different, every cloth diaper is different, how often you launder them, what soap you use. I think you just kind of have to, once again, do your research and find out kind of what works best for you and your family. Those are my tips and recommendations for you. I hope that was helpful. Please, please, please ask me any questions in the comments below. I would love to answer with whatever knowledge and wisdom I can impart to you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you be part of my little growing YouTube family. With all that said, you guys, I will catch you next week. Bye.